It's a new week in the cryptocurrency markets, which means it is time to be exploring new coins which could potentially move to the upside. And I personally believe that we're going to see meme coin mania wave 2. I do think that the pump is not over just yet. And if Bitcoin could continue to look bullish, and of course we have the halving just 32 days away, we could see many meme coins still go up in price. Now, correction from the meme market around sort of like $62 billion down to $53 billion. So yeah, memes are down just about 20% overall over the last week following all this hype that we've seen. So let's talk about some coins that are kind of on the low and some new ones that are emerging in the market. If you're new here and you want to hear your crypto goals, please do smash that subscribe button. Now, the first one, guys, it has to be Dogecoin 20. We talked about this last Friday, I think it was. Already it's raised $2 million of $6 million. It's 33% done already. So this is Doge 20. Effectively, this is Dogecoin going green on the ERC20 network with a fixed supply of 140 billion tokens. You can see one Doge 20 token is $0.000164. I believe it's currently in stage 3. There's 12 stages here, and every stage this pre-sale goes forward in, the price is going up just a little bit. So if you want to get more Doge 20 tokens for your, every dollar that you spend or every piece of ETH that you put in, now is a good time to do that, to get as many as possible. Now, remember, pre-sales are not financial advice. They are high risk, high reward, but right now we're in a bullish market, and usually this is where we see pre-sales do pretty well. So it says our Doge just got more rewarding. So Doge 20 also offers some decent staking rewards of 392% per annum. And at the moment, we can see 7.144 billion total tokens are staked in, which is actually a huge amount of tokens. So that's 7 billion tokens, and 35 billion are available in the pre-sale. So we can see we've got a roadmap here. DEX launch on Uniswap will be happening, and then allocated liquidity provision as well as long-term passive rewards here. But overall, the breakdown, 25% of that 140 billion goes into the pre-sale. So the benefit of this one is that, of course, Dogecoin goes green, but at the same time, there's no longer an infinite supply of Dogecoin sort of tokens. But at the moment, we can see memes are doing really well, and this could be another one that I think does have 10x potential here, being a 6 million hard cap, and that means a 10x takes it to 60 million, a 100x takes it to 600 million. These numbers are not unheard of in a macro bull market environment like we are seeing right now. Dogecoin 20, they're following right now on Twitter. They're just actually growing a bit. They're up to 1,000 followers, which is looking pretty good now, up a couple hundred already. So it's like you're still early. The amount of holders here, I reckon, is still under probably 500 holders. So that's very, very early. We know meme coins can surge up to 5 to 50k holders. So it says here, welcome to a new future for Doge. And this is the little Doge sort of guy, the character himself. So it's got that sort of community side. It's got that pump mental factor to it as well. But overall, Dogecoin 20 is number 1 on the list. And moving into coin 2 is Salama. Salama was one, of course, that had massive hype recently, and just looking at it, it's 0.05969 right now. Local high recently of 0.1389 on a market cap point of view. That means the coin hit $74 million and it's down to $39 million. So we're in a big corrective phase here for Salama. The volume is, of course, down by 50% as well. But I just think overall, buy the red, buy the fear, buy the dips. Don't be FOMOing in. If you bought in at the top, why wouldn't you buy in now just because the price is going down a little bit? So, of course, Salama is the unofficial Solana mascot. It's based on the Solana ecosystem, which is a very degen-y space, I'll be honest with you, but some Solana meme coins can provide insane upside potential. So this is coin number 2 out there. Do a bit of research on the token, Salama itself. And if you're also looking to enhance your crypto portfolio, do consider becoming a patron to find out more about all big coming cryptos, early insights to stealth launches, straight to DEX launches, and also if you want over 500 trading signals per month, the Patreon link is down below. Moving into coin number 3 is Smog, the lovely dragon. Smog, we looked at when it was 1 cent, got you guys in at 1 cent, and you got to ride that up to about 39 cents or something outrageous like that. So it is down about 30-ish% at the moment. Could be a corrective phase. Now, Fibonacci never lies, but usually when you do correct down on to the 0.618 or 0.786 Fibonacci levels, it could prove to be a good dollar cost average level. And of course, they've got very big airdrops coming up. So what you can actually do is buy and stake Smog for a 10% discount if you wanted to. And they do have airdrops forthcoming. So they've got a leaderboard which you can climb up. do kind of like daily activities where you follow on Twitter, join the Telegram, and then you will actually climb the podium on the leaderboard where you can unlock rewards based around this particular, meme coin itself. So beautiful meme coin, was a massive success, still getting plastered all over the place, loads of tweets, loads of hype for it. But we are just seeing that small correction over here at the moment from a large market cap of 283 million down to the high sort of medium 180 million. So it's coin number 3 being Smog. You can research the link down below. You can also check out Dogecoin 20. I've got a link down below if you want to do a bit of research and due diligence on this one as well. I always advise researching, be accountable, go through the ecosystem and understand really what it is. Coin number 4 is Myro. Myro the dog, $280 million over here for Myro. Looking at the month, we can see actually it's looking quite stable. It has reached local highs of $0.4387 multiple occasions, down to the 0.24 level, hovering about 0.30 at the moment as well for the price of Myro. So again, identifying a bit of a downtrend here over the week from highs of $400 million down to $280 million in terms of market capital or by price. So 0.43 down to lows of 0.23. So actually had about, I want to say about a 40% correction here. So we could, if we see wave 2 of the meme coins, if we see the market pick back up, and this is just another short-term shakeout, we could of course see the markets go absolutely parabolic again. So that's why coin number 4 will be Myro the dog. Of course, none of these you come without risk. It's all high risk, high reward, very degen-y stuff. So this is not financial advice, guys, but I think these are coins that could potentially move up over the coming weeks again if we see that trajectory. Now, the next one, it'll be coconut chicken. Coconut chicken is pumping right now, and this one here, what sets it aside is it's only on 2-bit. By the way, I do not advise trading on 2-bit. I do not like this exchange whatsoever, so I just stick to the DEX Jupiter side of things, just in case anything weird happens. But coconut chicken has been on the move recently and pumping massively from a market cap of lows of 4.29 million up to $8 million that we can see right here at the moment. So coconut chicken could be another one that might move. 93.4% of the total supply is circulating, which is of course a good thing. And this is the website right here. Absolutely crazy. Coconut chicken CCC, the first meme token on the Tron network, born from Justin Sun's idea, took over by community. So this could be an interesting one, the first on the Tron network, which could effectively make it a bit of a disruptor in the market. Anyway, guys, there's 5 meme coins. To summarize this video, we have Dogecoin 20, which will be selling out of its ICO very, very soon. We're looking at the next 2 weeks until they raise all the $6 million. So if you're looking to get into something fast and get out fast and potentially come out with some bags, this could potentially be one that does well. Not financial advice, the link is down below. Salama, another one, has obviously shown great strength over the weeks, but it is down a little bit. It's corrected slightly, so we could potentially see a bounce back from this particular level. Smog, the dragon on Solana, from $0.01 went all the way up to 0.39 recently and is now chilling at around $0.2253 with a $176 million market capital. Could be another good contender out here if we get that meme coin wave 2. Myro is coin number 4. Pretty staple kind of coin at this point. Is obviously shown many times where it's come up in price, come back down, come back up, come back down, and every time it proves to be a bit of a resilient one that does correct and usually come back in the markets. And then coconut chicken, probably the highest risk one here. It's very new. Not so many people talk about it. Again, it's not really on exchanges, which does mean it's going to get more liquidity if it does go on exchanges. But overall, these are 5 coins that could do well. Subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Stay crypto safe, guys. And yeah, much love. Bye for now.